The fast food habit worth having. Introducing the new Mango Habanero. When you're crazy for chicken, taste the fire with Mango Habanero chicken meal. It's crazy you can taste both mango and habanero chicken as you take the first bite. Then by your third bite, you can taste the fire as the heat builds on. Perfectly sweet with irresistible heat, leg and thigh here. With your choice of 2 small sides, warm tortillas, and salsa. Serve with 2 churros for dessert. Definitely ask for plenty napkins since it's juicy, saucy. Now here's what Mr. 8 thinks of Mango Habanero chicken meal. Yeah.
It's a perfect balance from the sweetness of the mango puree and the fiery kick from the habanero pepper.
So the mango habanero sauce is actually a little bit it is spicy. It's a little spicy for me, but he loves it. And it's kind of like vinegary, kind of like Tabasco-y, but yet mango and habanero. So if you like buffalo wings, you'll like this mango habanero sauce. Yeah.
That gets a thumbs up from me.
Yeah. Definitely need plenty napkins.
The heat builds up after about the third or fourth bite. If you're in the mood for a meal that has both spice and sweetness, then that meal is for you.
What happened?
You would think that you would get some relief or respite from the heat of the habanero sauce and the chicken when you have a bite of the beans. Well, the beans are just as hot since there's jalapenos in them.
Spicy, huh? Spicy chicken, mango habanero with spicy beans. Mango habanero is spicy. When you're crazy for chicken, taste the fire with Mango Habanero chicken meal. Only at
El Pollo Loco.
Ba-ba-na-na-na. And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.